Today we're going to change the cartridge in this faucet. Today is faucet day. Got several faucets that I'm going to show you, but anyway, first thing you want to do is put something in the drains so that small pieces don't go down, especially down the garbage disposal side. You can see there's an Allen screw under the faucet handle. Flashlight really helps. Okay, you get that off. Okay, and then this top piece, most of the time it's just hand tight. It's just a cover. So unscrew that. Oh, and make sure the water is turned off underneath the sink. You see there are two places, that one and the one on the other side, that you use to loosen this up. First thing, try with your fingers first. If it don't do, then get you it's important to use a crescent wrench, and you want to tighten it up. And I mean, we're just talking about no pressure at all to undo this thing. And then you unscrew this. This is one of these pieces you don't want to drop down the sink drain, especially down in the garbage disposal. That'd be so hard to get. And then this just pops out, and you can see the bottom of it. And another important thing, just like that thing just fell off. Luckily that rag was in there. But another important thing, you see that the gaskets on the cartridge didn't come off with the cartridge. So we have to go in there and get them out of there. One thing is for sure, this needs to come out of there, because if you don't get it out and you put the new cartridge in there, I guarantee you it's going to leak. So do the best you can and be very gentle, because you don't want to scratch any of this surface in there, because it's been machined to a finish to where this gasket will seal without any problem. If it's got a little scratch on there, you're going to have a drip on your faucet. Anyway, okay, let's get the other cartridge. Okay, here's the new cartridge. You see it's got the gasket on the bottom, and it's got these two little things on there, so it'll only go in one way. So you want to easily set it down in there and turn it until it drops in. Just make sure when you turn it over that gasket does not fall out. Try to line up the two indents to the two little whatchamacallits here. Get it close, turn it, just move it around until it drops in. Make sure when it drops in, it's not leaning to one side like that. You want to make sure it drops in flat. There we go. Okay, that's in. Now your ring, make sure the little cutouts are facing up. Turn it backwards until you feel it drop in. Okay, it just dropped. No, it didn't either. You'll feel it kind of click and fall in, and then it should just be finger tight all the way down. And it's best to wear gloves because these threads are pretty sharp. Okay, and then all you want to do to tighten this up, you just want to just barely snug it up until it feels like it got tight, and that's all you want. Now you got your ring that goes on here. That slides back on here. Alright. And then look for the little indent, which is right there. I mean, that's about where it's going to be anyway, because this thing will turn. So you want to make sure you get the right part facing forward. Oops. That's something else that could have easily gone down the drain. Not a problem. Just kind of fish around in there. And then just tighten it up. And here again, you don't want it too tight. You just want to till it gets snug, and then just give it just a heck of a little bit of a turn. And then you're back in business again.